Hello everyone, welcome back to Yarns and Fins. I am Kay, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet the Meribella flare sleeve top. In this video, I will only be showing how to make the sleeves. Video tutorial for the first part is in another video. You can make the original version of Meribella or the PEPLUM version. I will put both link on the description box below. Once you're done, go back to this video for the sleeves. If you also want a written pattern for all the versions and parts, you can purchase them from my pattern shops. All the links will be provided on the description box below. Also, in working the first part of the top, do not work with the armhole edging yet. To begin, attach your yarn on the center of the underarm part. This is where we joined our panels earlier. Chain 1 and work 2 single crochets in each side of the rows around the armhole. Finish round 1 without slip stitching, and then for round 2, work single crochets in each stitches around. Finish round 2 without slip stitch, and for round 3 we will work with V stitches. And to make our first V stitch, chain 3 considered as double crochet, chain and another double crochet on the same stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and then work V stitch on the next. That will be our repeats for the whole round. Finish round 3 with a slip stitch on the third chain at the beginning. For round 4, slip stitch on the chain 3 considered as double crochet, then another 2 double crochet on the same space. Next, 3 double crochet in each chain 1 space for the whole round. Finish round 4 with a slip stitch on the third chain at the beginning. For round 5, chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in each stitch for the whole round. Finish round 5 with a slip stitch on the first stitch of the round. For round 6, chain 3 considered as double crochet and flip your work. 1 more chain and double crochet on the same stitch. That will be our first V stitch for this round. Next, skip 1 and work V stitch on the next. That will be our repeats for the whole round. Finish round 6 with a slip stitch on the 3rd chain at the beginning. Round 7, begin with chain 3 and work 2 double crochet on the same space. Next, work 3 double crochet in each of the chain 1 space for the whole round. Finish this round with a slip stitch on the 3rd chain at the beginning. Then for rounds 8 to 12, repeat the same pattern on round 5 to 7 without flipping. So here's how it looks like with 12 rounds. For round 13, chain 3 and flip your work. By the way, this will be our last round or finishing round. And for this round, instead of working 3 double crochets in each chain space, we will work with a double crochet, insert your bead and another double crochet on the same space. So this chain 3 will be our first double crochet, and using a smaller hook, insert your beads. Then switch back your hook and work double crochet on the same space. Again, double crochet on the next chain 1 space. Insert your bead. And then another double crochet on the same space. That will be our repeat in each chain 1 space for the whole round. Finish the round with a slip stitch on the 3rd chain at the beginning, chain 1 and cut the yarn. For the added layer, attach your yarn on round 10 in between the V stitches, just below where you finished your last round. Now in every stitch between V stitches, work a shell stitch. To work a shell stitch, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet on the same stitch. Then slip stitch on the next. Repeat that for the whole round. At the end, if the stitches are not enough, just work your last shell on the V-stitch and then slip stitch to finish the round. Once you're done with this, repeat the whole pattern for the sleeve on the other side. And just like that, we are again done with our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button and the notification bell. And of course, subscribe if you want more tutorials or free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.